Azure is now one of the top two cloud platforms in the world, running infrastructure across more than 60 regions globally. And companies are actively hiring people who know how to use it. The problem is there are hundreds of Azure courses out there, and most of them don't tell you which one is right for where you are right now. So in this video, I have done the research across platforms and pulled out 7 best Microsoft Azure courses that are actually worth your time. Let's get into it. Course 1 is the Microsoft Azure Fundamentals AZ900 Exam Prep Specialization. This is a 4-course specialization directly from Microsoft. It covers core cloud concepts, Azure services, security, compliance, and pricing, mapped exactly to the AZ900 exam. If you are new to cloud, this is the first thing you open. It gives you the foundation that every other Azure path is built on. So no tech background is required here. You can just join and learn. Course 2 is the Microsoft Azure Data Fundamentals DP900 Exam Prep Specialization. This is for you if data is your direction. It's a 5-course specialization covering relational and non-relational data, Azure Synapse Analytics, Cosmos DB, and Power BI basics. It maps to the DP900 exam and is the clearest starting point for anyone looking at a data engineer, data analyst, or database role on Azure. Quick note here, some of these Microsoft Azure courses are available on Coursera, so if you are going to take multiple courses on Coursera, check out Coursera Plus subscription before you pay for anything individually. It gives you access to 10,000 plus courses under one subscription, including the programs on this list. Taking courses with Coursera Plus subscription will almost always work out significantly cheaper than buying individual courses. I have given you the offer link in the description, do check it out. Course 3 is the Microsoft Azure AA Fundamentals AA900 Exam Prep Specialization. This is a 5-course specialization again built by Microsoft directly, covering machine learning concepts, computer vision, NLP, and responsible AI on Azure. It prepares you for the AA900 certification and is the right entry point if your goal is Azure AI or ML engineering. After this, you have a clear path into more advanced AI roles. Course 4 is the AZ104 Azure Administrator Learning Path. This is completely free, maintained directly by Microsoft, and is the official route to the Azure Administrator Associate certification. It covers identity management, governance, networking, storage, compute, and monitoring, everything an Azure admin actually does day to day. If you want a cloud operations or cloud engineer role, this is your move after the fundamentals program. Course 5 is the Microsoft Azure Administrator Associate AZ104 Cert Prep. If you want a structured video first walkthrough of the same AZ104 material, this is the ideal pair to the program which we saw earlier. It's published by Microsoft Press and walks through each exam domain, identity, storage, VMs, virtual networking, and monitoring in a clean, polished format. You can use Microsoft Learn for the labs and this for the explanation. So together they cover everything. Course 6 is the Microsoft Azure Developer Associate AZ204 track. So this is for developers who want to build on Azure rather than just manage it. The track covers app servers, Azure functions, containers, blob storage, and Cosmos DB, Key Vault, and API management, the tools you actually use when deploying applications on Azure. It's hands-on, practical, and maps to the AZ204 exam as well. If you're a developer looking to add cloud to your skill set, this is the one. And Course 7 is Microsoft Azure Machine Learning Fundamentals. This is a specialist pick for anyone who already understands basic AI and wants to implement ML models on Azure. It covers how to use Azure machine learning servers to build, train, and deploy models in a real cloud environment. It doesn't just teach theory, it focuses on actual Azure ML tooling, which is what you'll need on the actual job. All course links are in the description, check it out. So here's how to use this list. Start with AZ900 if you're completely new to Azure. Go into DP900 if data is your focus, or AA900 program if machine learning is where you want to go. Move into AZ104 on Microsoft Learn plus LinkedIn Learning when you are ready for an admin role. Take the AZ204 data cam track if you're a developer, and if you're specifically going into ML on Azure, Course 7 is where you should go. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe. I put out the best online course breakdowns every week, and I'll see you in the next one.